Hi, I'm Steve McDuff, creator of the Deduced Framework. Today I'm going to show you some of the new features in the 2.1 release of the framework. So first, when you get the framework, you get a zip file. After unzipping this file, you get this folder structure. To get started, you first need to have a Java development kit installed and configured in your Java home environment, and then you can just start one of the batch files. So I'm going to show you the new web view layer that comes with this version. After starting the web view, you get a pop-up saying, well, here's where the new server is hosted, and you get a view editor to configure how your web view is going to be hosted. The next step is you take your browser and you head out to the URL specified in the console. So, in my case, localhost on HTTPS. From there, you have access to the default sample Agile application that comes with a framework. As you can see, this is a fully working editor where you can change everything. So I could change the sprint name or change a task name. The difference here is the application is now entirely hosted in the web using synchronized components. Using my view editor, I can change this application any way I want. So for instance, I can go in my view and change the text. So I can take the title and say I don't want it to be Agile Editor, I want it to be the Agile Editor demo. So I change the title, apply, and the application gets updated automatically. Next, let's say I want to change the style of a border. So I can go in my styles, take one of the application style. Let's take the main frame and play with the border. Now instead of a 5 pixel width, let's give it 15 pixel and see what happens in the background. I'm going to apply and you see the change happening in real time. So let's revert that back to 5. And we're back to 5 pixel. All the while, the whole framework is still available, so you can still go in your application schema, say, okay, I need to change my schema right away. I want my task to have an owner. So let's go ahead and select our task, create a new field called owner, and we're done. The application now has an owner field I can fill in, so I will assign this task to myself, and it's now usable. And that's it. So these are a few features that allow you to create an application dynamically without ever needed to restarting your server while development, which needs to very incredible development speed and very little code to get a lot of good features done. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video.